Well, hello. My name is Samuel Lapp. I'm a farmer, Mennonite. This here is my kitchen table. I've sat at this table for 41 years with my wife, Miriam. Raised 6 children around this table. A lot of folks been asking why a man like me would start a YouTube channel. I asked the same thing. My grandson, he's 19, he told me, "Grandpa, people don't know how to grow a tomato anymore or fix a loose chair." I thought about that. We sold our dairy cows in 2015. Now we grow vegetables and wheat. Organic, no sprays. We do things slow here, the old way. Not because we're stuck in the past, but because some old ways still work. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a farmer. But if you want to learn how to save your seeds, or bake bread without all those machines, or just sit quiet for a few minutes while we work, well, you're welcome here. This will be my journal, the Lapp Farm Journal. Plain work, plain living.